so bad, my self-esteem damn bad. I gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me, might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda, can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto, learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman, y'all but not let them in, they gon' rotate this so I keep the pedaling, started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit, I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah, said you gon' pull up then settle it, yeah, I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah, and I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here, watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch, everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now, have to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that, big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that, work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah.
Good morning, good morning. How is everyone? 65 people. Some people are eager today. Marcel's in the building. This guy has been absolutely amazing. Sorting everything out. Testing everything. Who we got in? Zan. Hello. Tom. Hello, Tom. Kumar. Jonathan. Mike. Yonut. Nelly. Some new names. Arc Academy Dramas. Hello. Welcome. Stefan Forex. That's another new name, I think. Sorry if I can't memorize the name. Termello. Murray, hello Murray. Death has just one game. Shivers. Shan, hello Shan. Rafa is in the house. Rich T, hello from a very wet UK. I can imagine. I lived there for a very long time. Who else we got? Let's go here. Trading view. The good news is that my family is on the good notes. Finally. Things are going well, hopefully. But what has been going on pound dollar? Let's see. Brando. Outside. Hello, yes sir. Daniel. Don't forget silver trade today. Yes, what time is it? We're gonna have it on. quite interesting. Zan Space, 65 people but 24 likes. They're just waking up. They need a bit of Ragnar to wake everyone up. It's been a while. The commander's here. It's like, why are we not doing lives and killing bears and bulls? He will come a bit later, don't worry. It's been a while, you're right, Shan? Louis Fly. Cool names. Anna, good morning. Abdul, good morning. Naveen, Balaka, Shivers, Pascal, Maniac TV. Ooh, it's a few. It's a few. Let's see. John Gribben, good morning. Watch those adverts till the end. Skull, I appreciate that. There we go, the likes are coming up. It just needs a bit of rag now, doesn't it? Passun, I think I said that. Did I kill it? Might have killed it. Good morning, Mart, Ali G. What a name. And let's go there. I don't have a live trade, so I need to change that. Pound has been crazy. And we'll talk about everything. Today, I know a lot of people have come in because I did a video on the silver bullet. I did a video on the OTE. Obviously, it's a trading day for me, so I need to make money. So there's going to be a lot of repositioning. Maybe something new to people. But the good news is, I am going to be posting the Discord link soon as we hit 200 people. So when we hit 200 people, and how many likes should we go? Let's go with 100 likes. You're already 100 in here. If we get to 100 likes, I'll drop the Discord link in, and our amazing moderator, Marcel, he's going to be running the show in the background on the Discord. Ambassa, hello. Mofos, hello. Familiar names. Philip. Right, let's change that. Results. No trades currently live. Where are we at? Let's go with the fivers. I know a lot of you are doing really well. And some people have been funded. Big shout out to the Chromebook trader who got funded. Another amazing guy. All right, here we are. Into the fivers we go. I didn't do a lot of trading. I have got it to 90%. So we need 10% to get to the 12,000 profit, 12,500. That would get us to 275,000, which is another huge milestone. However, this little bugger here keeps getting caught on the same trades. One chart looks 45 degrees, the other chart looks like this. So I think we're going to need to change a little bit the tactics around this. On a very small account where you can only lose, what was it? 1,000. What's that? I'm not very good at maths. 1,200, is it? Yeah. You can't really do repositioning like I trade my big account, my normal account. So I think I need to take it out of the, what's it called, copy trader. Marcel, if you can, let me know when we hit those numbers, and I'll drop the link in. So we need to change the approach on the small account. I can't copy it the same as the big account. That's for sure. And as we can see, we've got close. How many times? Well, this is the closest it's been. 21, 100. It needs another 500, for instance. And then something changes in the market. We do some repositioning and it just kills it. So we're going to have to think about that. I've lowered the music, guys. Are you happy? I always get one person who's like, let's lower the music. All right, let's see what we got. I am trading from a non-familiar place. It's a hotel. Let's see. Right, let's start with the news. Let's go on Baby Pips. And if you haven't been on Instagram, I've just coming off an 82-hour water fast. Anything that's been in my body is just water since Thursday. So this is unknown territory. If I collapse, just someone message my wife or someone on Instagram to pick me up. And, right, no news today. Let's see the week. We have CB consumer confidence on US dollar. US dollar has shown a bit of strength at the end of the week. That's why we saw the drop on the pound dollar. We've also got federal funds rate, Fed press conference. That always moves the market. And Thursday, durable goods, GTB, a lot of US data, but nothing on the pound. Interesting to see what happens. Let's go on a daily. We've had this huge drop, which is almost like a rebalancing. Now, I know we talked about silver bullet, and we also talked the OTE. The OTE, which is based on the Fibonacci numbers. If you haven't seen that video, go and watch it. It's very detailed and quite an easy process to trade. Nothing new really, guys. Okay, fair value gaps for sure. That is something that... But the Fibonacci numbers, like a retracement to 61.8, which is 62 in the OT, is something Anonymous tipped. I need to know who that Anonymous is. I need to give you a shout out. Thanks so much, buddy. Come on, you have to tell us who you are. Sandrine Dileo. Oh, it's Greek. Toparakanes. You did too much, is saying. Can it something after 40 hours is definitely rebalanced? Well, here's some research for you. After 72 hours, there's something that in Greek is called autophagia, and in English is called autophagy. And it's your body taking care of all the bad cells that are in the body. So it cleans out PM in 2 hours. News at 9:30. What news? On the pound dollar? What am I missing? That's the only one I see. I don't know if you're trading something else. Maybe you're talking about euro. Maybe this one. Let's have the euro in there. I know a lot of you trade the euro as well. This is based on my time zone. I think we should put it in London. Let's do London. 8:30. No, I get confused. I keep it to mine. which is 9:50. We've got 9 minutes till the open. I am intrigued to see what price is going to do. We're same time as Moscow. Okay. Is there a weight loss with your fasting? It's a bonus. It's a bonus for sure. Let's just get our previous days in so we don't miss any opportunities. These little lines here were really nice. OTE trade, actually. It worked really well. Where was it? Here. So remember that OTE video we had? You needed to have 2 lower highs from the main high move, and then it retraced. It's actually the silver bullet as well. Came back up, broke above, then you could get an entry there, and it gave you all that move up there. Really nice trade. Let's go back to the daily. I don't think I'm going to keep these lines in now. What are these? These must be a level. Text. Coordinates. 134. Don't know why that's there. We'll see. Get the fib out. Let's clean the chart. I'll tell you what. Let's just clean it all out. Let's look at it fresh. Right. What do we see here? Let's go on the monthly. Take out everything. Let's tune up. Whoa. It's so obvious in your face. Can we see it? FX Factory, let's see. Let's see. What is there news over there? Factory. Oh, come on. FX Factory. Let's see what the difference is. Forex Factory. That's the one. Today. Let's take out the small news. What are we saying? We're saying flash manufacturing, PMI. This one here, 11 o'clock. I'm not so sure these will move. Let's see it. Let's see it. Cancel. Level of diffusion index based on the survey and purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. Okay. Let's look at the difference. 47.8, 46.9. It's the highest it's been. Maybe we'll keep an eye on that. It is silver bullet time, isn't it? I think we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see if we're go away. Right, let's go back on looking at the chart from clean. The biggest thing that I can see, I hope you can see it too, is this fair value gap here. Look at that. Boom. Filled it up. We've been dropping obviously heavily for all this time. You can see that. This is what I'm looking at. Now the question is the Fed good news so the pound dollar starts pushing up, or is there a continuation down? At the moment, we've got a retracement of $61.8 into $71.6. So this can easily head up here to the 76.4. Look how nice that aligns with these swing highs. So, okay. What are we seeing here? Another little fair value gap there. Got tapped into that place there. Fair value gap of a month. Save that as monthly. 2 minutes to the open. Right, to that, that's not much else we need to see here. Obviously we got, take that out now. Actually, let's put that line in. Do I have it? That's a 76.4. Let's keep that in there. Take that out. All right, so we've taken this off. Let's go on the weekly. We don't need to see that line. Where is price? Where is price, guys? There's only one that comes out, and you should be seeing that. That's where the game is now. Style, price, where's price? Price. It's not 126, it is 13. This is where we're currently trading. Look at that, it's on the top of the fair value. Boom. Exactly. Where's the next interesting number on a weekly? This fair value gap. 133251. It's close to the 134. So the 134. Let's add that one in. 132. We want to add these because we're going to see how they look on the lower time frame. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Rejections. The last one we're going to add is this one. Oh, go away. I need to change that. That's 132. Text. US dollar holds the highest ground ahead of Fed. So another line on the 76.4, which is this one here. Let's get those likes up, guys. Let's hit that 100 and you'll get Discord. We're close. Need 50 viewers to hit that 200. I know it's a big ask on a Monday after I haven't gone live for 2 weeks, but what am I doing? I'm talking too much and not concentrating. Da, da, da. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, that's the big numbers on a weekly. Okay, anything below. I mean, if it breaks below 126, then it's a different story for the pound. But as it looks right now, we don't see that picture. We've got a very bullish pound action. Daily. You know what we do on the daily? Previous daily high. Look at that doji there. Daily high. We need a daily low. Dum 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 dum. Get the fib. Get the 50%. Oh, I've changed it. Actually, I don't like extensions on this. Kill that. I did it for the video. Fibonacci retracement. Okay, something's different. I need this on the left. Okay. It's not done it. Save as. All right. So Fibonacci to use to get the mid. Let's get the mid in there. Change that to equilibrium. 4 minutes into the open. Let's see what it looks like. We're in that monthly fair value gap. So there's opportunity to push lower. Here comes the push. Fair value gap there. 15 minute. It's been so long, I need to tune up. Let's go on the daily. We're going in that push here. I do like the long opportunities. Why? Because we've got the 76.4 above, and if we grab liquidity above here with that high, that's buy side there. Obviously on the short side, coming into these fair value gaps, and we've got sell side there on the daily. This can very easily push into this, which is a daily fair value gap, to the 1.3. Okay, okay. So now we need to see if it gives us an opportunity for a long. Even though the pound dollar's been pushing lower. Hopefully it'll come in here and then sell off. Here it goes. Why are you not taking the sell? Because the bigger picture is long. I wouldn't want to be shorting this. After we've had an equal candle, an engulfing candle if you want, on the bullish side, on the left side, and we've had this uptrend with that push down. But look, we've had push downs. Is there anything we can find a nice entry in here? There's no fair value gaps. Let's go on the 4 hour. There's one there that got tapped in already. We got sell side below here. This looks heavy, so it might give it to us. We're just tapping into that fair value gap now. There we go. Who we got in? Silver bullet. $80 pips. 80 pips? Really? Something's not right there. Really? Why is it taking it from down there? Something's wrong there. So we've taken out liquidity above here. Into that fair value gap. There we go. That's better. So it's given 14 pips already. You remember you're looking for that 10 to 15 pips. That's a nice break there. Coming down in here. That is definitely the break. So like in the language of OTE, waiting for that retracement in here. Tapped into that and now pushing a little bit higher. $129, that's the previous high. Let's look at this. What's happening here? It's been pushing down, then we had the extension push down. This is nice ICT trading. Into the fair value gap here, pushed down, found the low, had an attempt up, pushed back down, created the low, gapped up, down, pushed away, hovered around equilibrium, and now is having an attempt to push higher. Let's see. Let's see. Where are we at? Michael's in the house. He hasn't been trading for a while. Nice to see you. I hope you're doing well. 100 likes is upon us. 1 like left. So that's a confirmation for Discord. We're just waiting for 30 more viewers. And then you're going to get the link. Dale says PMI data today for EU, German, pound, dollar, all red folder. Here's the retracement. We'll see. Do we like this entry? That's on the 50% retracement. 10 pips, 15 pips. $56 pips, not bad. $58 is a bit much, but let's see if it gives that 61.8 between 61.8 and 76.4. If you entered there for 10 pips on the 50, you have to go up there into that fair value gap. Will you be looking at Judah swings? Yeah, so this is the thing, guys. OTE, what's it called? Silver bullet, swing Judas moves. There's so much that can happen in this short period of time. That's why it's better to find something that's working for you and then stick with it. Don't jump from thing to thing, because then you blurry the water. So far what I'm looking for a long opportunity because of the higher time frame. Woo! 76.4, big push, big push. Is that the news you were talking about? Oh, look at that. Into that fair value. Let's see where we are. 49 pips, a little bit better. Let's see if it can take sell side. I'm gonna go long there. What was that? That was French flash manufacturer PMI. The euro did have a push then with the pound. Something to keep an eye for the future. Right, so let's think about repositioning. So we've got an entry at 128.688. 128.688. Did they really put it that close? Wow. Okay, so this is the worst entry. How far is that? 16 pips, that's nice. 15 pips there. So $150 on that move. Actually, I'm trading half, so it would have been $70. Let's see. Right. I would enter short, says Raphael. You should. 100%. If you see a setup that's confirmed with your analysis, you should do you. 100%. Let's go on the 1 hour. A lot of people will see this and say, you have a nice setup here. Look at this, it's retraced into that 76.4, boom, to crash down. I am taking a bigger picture on the pound. Pound has been moving a lot with news and what is happening in the world. So we'll see. We might have to reposition this in. Well, we definitely will. So we can reposition down into these lows. If we hit the 128, I can't see that happening, to be honest. I might be wrong, obviously. I can't see in the future, but I don't think. Let's see. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. This is sell side liquidity. So we have our first units in. 226 people in. That is time to release the beast, which is the Discord target. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Invite people. Copy invites. And release the beast. There you go, guys. An invite to the Conscious Day Trader Discord. You can click that link and please let's talk you through this because there's a few steps. Damn, that's quick. Marcel and myself will have a bit of time trying to go through these guys. Right, let's see. So, guys, the process. Verification process. Let's keep an eye on that. And let's bring our Discord server over. Sorry it's taking so long, but I generally want to really make something good. And Marcel was telling me off. He was like, launch it and we can sort it out. He's right. Maybe I should have launched it earlier. But when you come onto Discord, you're not going to see these. You might see these. Yes, you see this and the rules and approval form. Okay. This is how you're going to get approved. So you're going to go on to the approval process. You can read this here. All right. When you've read it, then you're going to go to the rules and you're going to have to, damn, 22 already. You're going to have to click on this button here. That way, please read the rules. Don't just click it. And if you agree with the Discord rules and you're happy to come onto the community and, you know, we we want to have people that have the same values and the people that want to help each other and make us a better trader. So we're going to try and protect the Discord. So when you get into the Discord, obviously you get access to, you have to click the rule book, and after the rule book you go to this form here. This form here is going to be a, let me try and click it. You get these questions. So where are you looking to gain from the Discord server? What we're looking for this is to meet you, to see what you're about, where you're coming from, how long have you been trading, and what strategy, and what would you say are your values as a trader, and what do you think you can bring to the community. So we are the conscious day trader, so we are conscious about the community and how people speak to each other, and we're definitely going to police that. We're only going to bring good vibes in this community, and myself and the moderators, if we deem that something is not right with an individual who's like, I don't know, has some bad kind of thoughts around what this community is, we want to protect the community. So that's our role. So when you answer this and you've read the rules and you put the click, 46 people in. Hello everyone. Marcel now is busy, he's very busy. He's gonna approve each one of these requests. When it's approved, you get into our Viking Guild Hall. In the Guild Hall, you'll find the tavern where you can go in and enjoy some ales with Marcel and the rest of the community. The chill out zone, daily loots, media. You can share music, sort of stuff, talk about charts. Trading floor, so you can jump in after the lives and you can discuss and share information and so on. As we can see here, look at this. This is Marcel's graph. He's killing it. And then you get access to this. This will be the free version, okay? Next, if you go to upgrade, which I believe is info, and you click here, that will make you a Vanguard member. It's $19.99 a month, and that will give you access to the Vanguard. So the Vanguard is, I will jump in the chats as well. We can talk about milestones, manifestation, mindset, risk management and repositioning, health. Yes, we are going to talk about health. And you have, again, 2 trading floors, one to share voice and video, and the other one which is the chill out zone. We have our first member, MLZI, has been approved. So you get this. You also get the monthly book club, and today we're gonna be talking, I'm gonna give you this one to everyone, but normally it's gonna be released in the monthly book club. The first book we're gonna read is The Rough Guide to Trading, Make Money in the Markets by Steve Ruffley. I don't make anything out of this. This is a book that really helped me with Fibonacci retracements. And I know like Kumar and other people are not so keen on reading. I am not a big reader either. This is a tiny book. And we're gonna read it. In here we can say how much have we read each day. So it might be like a bit of accountability, and myself, to be honest, to keep me in reading one page or one chapter or whatever it is. Let's see what's happening. Still in that position. What golden nuggets each person took out. Here Marcel is already doing good work. Let's see who's in the tavern. Hey, MLZI is in. Good stuff. Reflections. This channel, we are reflecting the teachings that we read and combined with our own experience of life and how it both combines to create a better. Don't you just love Marcel, man? He's just such a good guy. here we note what we are reading. Being able to consistent with readings and crucial skills and all. That's some tips from Marcel there. So for instance, if I read one page today, this is for the Vanguard members, I will go in, say one page today or something. Page today, from this page to that page. And that way, everyone can be motivated. Or if you've forgotten to do your reading for the day, it will motivate you to do that. Reading plan and so on. And finally, which is I think is the coolest, and I think you think is the coolest, once a week, instead of a live, we're going to be doing a webinar Q&A. So we're going to be jumping on a Zoom call. Depending on the people, I can maximum do 3 hours. So like the live. And we need to see how many people are from the US. If they're from the US, that session might have to be in the afternoon. Let's see. I've been chatting a lot, haven't I? I think everyone is clicking on the link. I made my approval form, but couldn't join. Yes, so when you go into the form and you respond to this form, there might take some time for you to be approved, because Marcel at the moment is going to be reviewing the answers, and if the answers are approved in terms of what we have as values as traders, then you're going to get approved. So Marcel is saying, I see a lot of submissions that do not accept the rules. So you have to go here, guys, read carefully, and before the submission, just click here. So we know that you agree with all these rules. Hi, Biscuit, second person into the guild hall. Right, back into the Zoom. So here you're going to find the Zoom link. We need to discuss this as a community. When is the best time for everyone? So it's going to be once a week. I'm going to record these sessions, so you will have access to all these sessions of discussions. Of one person is going to come up at a time, and I'm going to divide the time by how many traders we have. And you can answer any question. You can ask any question, and I'll try my best to help you with your trading or where you are. Zoom notes. We're going to type in some Zoom notes if we want. And then it's the discussion post the Zoom. So if someone wants to go on and have a chat further with fellow Vanguard members, then you can do that. The last one, we've got the help desk, which is a support ticket. So you can jump in if you're having any issue, like let's say I can't get accepted. So yeah, and guys, be patient, right? This is just brand new. Only Marcel is looking at this right now, and give him a break, because how many people have been in? There's a few people in here. So 76 people have clicked on the rules. So if you've clicked on the rules and you've answered the question, then Marcel will let you into the Discord. All right, let's back onto the day job. Right, it's pushing lower. Let's see where we get that second repositioning. Where's my trading view? Right, so let's go on the pound dollar. We are in a long position. It's pushing down. Right, we might have to let it breathe a little bit. It's back in equilibrium. I'm gonna get my full lot. I've just entered as a half lot. Took out liquidity below these now. Let's see how low this can push. What is the DXY doing? Boom, aggressive push on the dollar. But look at this. This is a nice little area here. Sell side and a fair value gap. Tapped into that and then it's pushing higher. This is fair value gap on the 1 hour. Nice, it's filling this. It's filling a gap actually, look at that. So we might have to wait actually. I should have seen this first. It's a Monday, it's okay. So if you're shorting pound dollar, might be a good call. Got another fair value gap here. And I know this might be a little bit of an annoying process, but guys, we really want to protect the community. And you know, I strongly think that is, we don't want to just open it to every single person who hasn't got an idea why he's here. We want people that have the same values and you know, they're super positive and they want to help each other, and so on. So it might take some time. So Michael's in. Hello Michael. JSQ is in. You can see it takes a bit of time. As long as you do those 2 steps, I am sure, click on here and approval, you will be in no time. Let's see, style, fair value gap on the hour. We're tapping into that now. We've got buy side liquidity here. Buy side with a fair value gap. That's nice. But we also have that actual gap above. So we might have to be a bit patient. Let me see. Let me see where pound is. We're getting into this area here. Sell side. This is our worst entry. I think it's time. I think it's time first to like the stream. 1, because we just launched Discord. And I know a lot of you are happy about that. Let's get those likes up. And brother, check your charts. Are you worrying about this? We don't worry about this because we've got our units that are waiting eagerly to reposition this entry. So let's see. Not yet, not yet. This is pushing, so let's go on to trading view. We're still in that silver bullet zone. Really nice entry up here if you got that. So my friend who said, what is that ICT logo? This ICT logo is, oh my God, my brain. It's, bear with me, it's the it's the fasting. My brain is not working. But this is the Chromebook trader. He created another Discord community, which is great. So let's see what's happening here. Pushing into that sell side nicely. Let's wait for this candle. This will be another nice entry. We might enter with a 1 lot, depending on if we find an opportunity here. We'll see how that closes. Let's look at the 15. Nice push below. Took out liquidity above, pushing down. Took out liquidity now here. Let's see what it does. Bring in the troops. You are right. It's that time. It is that time. Ragnar, it needs his units. He's been called to action. Him and the vanguards are gonna replace the losing trades. So let's bring in. Where are they? Here they are. You can't see them yet, but I can see them. Get those likes up, guys, and we're gonna get our units in. So we had our first order in. Just getting them on the charts, and then I'll switch up. Today we are going against the bear. Here he is, Ragnar on the charts. First position has been in. Actually, it's half. Should we chop him in half? Do it, Ragnar says. This could have been an option for a second position, but because of that gap here, we have to be patient. This is an actual gap in price. There it is. Right there. I wish I had seen that. We'll tune up. Yeah, that's nice. Maybe it gives us an opportunity to change. We'll see. So we're going to have to be really patient with this. Our units are going to be waiting low. At least here. How many pips is that? Give me the pips. 50 pips. Yeah, that's easily to wait. That's about $250 in drawdown, I think. So when that goes down there, we'll start thinking about repositioning. I know a lot of you are waiting for that repositioning video. I have said something. The old people in the community will know that, not old in age, old in time. They know that repositioning is something that is involving for me. And I say this on every single interview. If I tell you what I do, it doesn't mean that you're going to make money out of that, because that's what works for me. I'm sorry. Even ICT, all the Silver Bullet. Silver Bullet was a very popular video, which kind of worries me a little bit, because people think that I can take that Silver Bullet 3 rule book, if you want, and I'll trade it and make money. And that is a worrying thought. Alex, almost passing the first stage in fivers, shorting the GU and the EU. Nice, Alex. I need to learn from you. Was chasing the gap since last week. I wish I had seen that. That was a good call. Ragnar, Adele with the swords, the Vanguard swords. Corpez, morning guys. Kent and Sandrine Dileo. Is he skinny Ragnar fat units? Yeah, the fast is over. I'm glad it's over. I started by having a omelette, and what else did I have? Actually, who is the anonymous guy? I need to know who's the anonymous guy who dropped a donation. Did he say something and I missed it? You might want to track your trade. Yeah, we could have entered here. If this breaks lower, I think I'm gonna just close that. And we might trade that gap. We'll see. If it doesn't, I need to wait. Obviously, I need to wait. patience is everything. But our units are in here. Let's go on to 1 minute. Exciting 1 minute. Tapped into that sell side. Now having a push up. This can easily fill this fair value gap here. Just at equilibrium and continuation down. So we'll see. How's the Discord going? Rafa is in. It's been approved. Call of Thomas is in. Good. First 6 guys in the Discord. Welcome, guys. Rules. Now, I'm wondering how many of these guys, how many submissions are in here without clicking the rules. And please read the rules, okay? Please read the rules. Don't just click it. That's that. And also another feature that it's in here, it will tell you when we're live, obviously, and any posts on YouTube Shorts. I'm not sure what happened there. But that is another area where you can find out. You will get a notification on that place. So let's go back on our trade. Let's see. This is looking... Kai, welcome, new subscriber. We're getting close to that end of the silver bullet. I need to make one for the kill zones as well. That's looking like it's getting ready for a push up. How far is that? It's done already 43. 300. It's not going to do it in the silver bullet for sure. But that is a big push up, eh? Big push up. I'm expecting a retracement. That retracement might be time to rethink. Even though I'm biased long on the pound dollar, the conditions in the market is like a live thing. You have to adapt to it. We saw some new information that we didn't factor in, which is annoying. A gap up here on the 15 minute. So that's going to make us be a little bit patient and careful, because easily the price can go back to retrace to that. The other thing is that a lot of people are doing the same thing. So the price can be manipulated for a long time before it does that. But let's see. Our first units are in. Waiting patiently to be accepted, says Zan and Tom. It's a one-man band, guys. Give him a chance. Dennis, once you understand ICT, it's pretty much is the holy grail for me, at least to form an accurate daily bias. Nice. Everything that helps with identifying what is what you need as a trader psychologically, what you need mentally. So it takes, you have to identify, like even repositioning, for instance. Someone might see this and be like, no, who was it? Someone in here. I shorted this. This was a nice Judas move, and now it's given me a whopping 46 pips, 41 pips. So that's a great trade. And you should be proud of that. So, like we say, I don't know if I can short I haven't done that ever. If I can short this position here and keep my buy position in. I think that works with hedging accounts. This is a hedging account. We should see. You are correct, Vic. That was the silver bullet. It gave way more than 10 pips. Swept the Asian high, and then you were looking for 15 pips. So there to there. Easy. Very nice. Nice trade. Now we're going to see how high up this candle is going to go. You can long and short, says Shan. Okay, great. So if the price comes up here, we might position for a nice little entry if we can take these units out. We'll see. I do like that gap trade. The question is, where is it going? If the pound dollar is shorting, where is it going? If it takes these lows, which it didn't, it just tapped into it, then it looks like a continuation to take the previous daily low. But let's switch off these. If this was the took out liquidity above, comes down, takes liquidity low, then suddenly that push up doesn't look so bad. We'll see. You can, says Michael. Cool, good to know. Just closed out 270 pip position on euro dollar. Nice, Sultan. Boom. That's how you do it. Have you watched more than 10 videos? Someone else. Jay, 3:50 a.m. Eastern here, struggling to keep my eyes open. Good news for you is that I'm going to America in August. So I'll be based in the Berkshires. So I'll be trading from there. So probably be trading the New York sessions. ICT is not overrated. It's a very good strategy if you understand liquidity. I love ICT. It's amazing. Civil engineer. Hello, my friend. My shocking friend. Where is the Discord? Here. I just post it again. You can click on that. If you go a bit further back in the video, I explain about the approval process. It's not like a straight in. There's a barrier called Marcel who is going to go through some questions, and if the questions look like you we have a similar mindset on what we want to achieve in this group, then you're going to be in. You can see already people. There we go, Marcel. Consistency since then. The 6th of the 7th, 2023. Marcel is doing great. Look at that. You can imagine, guys, there's so many submissions in the background now, so it takes some time. So just be patient. You will be in soon. Already Marcel has done 9 people, so that's quite impressive. And don't forget to click on the reels. We're hitting that 100 number. So imagine going through 100 people of questions. It takes a bit of time. And obviously, I'm going to start looking at the submissions after I finish. Speaking of which, if you think, and this is more for the people that have been following for a long time, if you want to help Marcel and me be more of a moderator, drop Marcel a personal message, and maybe we can have a little chat about seeing who might be the second moderator to help the community. But this is going to be very strict, guys. Like, don't just message him and say, I want to be a moderator. You have to have some knowledge around Discord, and you definitely have to have a knowledge around how I trade, my values, what I like and don't like, and what this community accepts and doesn't accept. So if you're keen for that, make sure you drop a message to either me or Marcel, and we'll go through it and see. Well, we'll talk you through the process of becoming a moderator. Right, let's see where we're doing. This is staying aggressively down. It's hunting that gap on the DXY. Ooh, look at the euro. Damn. Ryan official new subscriber, welcome. Lewis Bowden, welcome. This is an old fib. Euro tapped into that liquidity there. Now it's selling off. Same doji candle there. Filling in that fair value gap right here. I feel like this is setting up for a bit of weakness on the dollar, and I'm not saying it because I feel it. It's because look at this. So this push up, it's filling up fair value gaps. It hasn't retraced at all in this move here. So doesn't it make sense that the price will be pushing up? You'll be like, why did you not short it then, Yanis? Good question. Monday. But it might give us that opportunity soon, the way it's looking. Let's go into the 15. We're definitely not repositioning anywhere around here. That's too close. With that gap on the DXY, too close. Look at that. It's aggressive. Can I have a 2 screen? Let's go there. Oh, damn it. What have I done? Haven't done this for a long time. No. I'm on this one. Does that change the whole thing? Damn it. Go on, help me out, guys. How do I change this to this? Bro, are you coming live daily? So yes, it will be daily lives 3 times a week. And one day is going to be the Q&A for the Vanguard members. And then that's it. Right click. Reset chart. Really? No, I want to have the same as this one. It's almost like a it's template for sure. Load template. It should be here. I thought this is the one. Load template. Let's see. Why is it saving that? That's one thing I haven't spent time with in this area here. I need to. Right click, settings, template. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, Adam. Legend. Legend. Let me see if I've had... Oh, that's not the one I want. Let me see if I have another one. Nice push down. Dum dum dum. Crosshair, we don't want any. Is it this? Yeah. All right, cool, we're in. Nice. So now I can save this. Save layout. Did it save it? Okay, that's that. All right, nice. So that way we have the dollar index, but now I want these two to link. Isn't it fun doing this live? Showing all the stuff I don't know. Let me think. Must be... Someone will tell me. More news in 10 seconds. Why you're not using black color or for sell candles like ICT? I am not ICT. I'll never be able to trade like ICT. I trade my own way. So ICT has taught me a lot, but I was trading this a lot long before ICT, this sort of how it looks. Before I got into ICT. Another push down now. We're starting into that sell side. We need to draw some stuff on here. Oh, come on. Is it this one? Go to template. There is a link, right? There is a link. Thank God for you guys. On the toolbar, this one. Let's see. No. What does it look like? We're saying that this should do the same. Let's see. 4 hour, 1 hour. What am I missing? Dum dum dum. Price is chasing. It's chasing what? It's chasing this fair value gap right here. I'm an expert on TradingView. In the symbol with the second split window. Ah. So I want to change interval, not symbol. Date range, yes. Nice, there we go. Thank you, Pop. You see, that's why their community is here. To help each other. Right, let's go on the daily and put on our daily highs. Nice little gap there. Is that the gap? That must be the gap. That's a daily gap. Damn. Daily high. Daily high. Me. Bit annoyed with not missing this information. Bit annoyed. But it's okay. It's okay. We'll blame the fast. Dum, 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 dum. Right. 61.5. There we go. So we have taken the highs. We have got a strong gap here. On a daily. I thought it was on the 15, but that's a daily gap. Ba ba ba. On the 15. Is that the same one? Yeah. Yeah, so we're not doing anything here. Sorry, units, you're gonna have to wait. How do I find you in Discord? Are you talking to? I don't believe you. You can. So if I click here, that's going to change to 5. That's going to change to 5. Balaka. So that's pretty cool. And obviously you can type it if we want to do 10 minutes. I don't know why you would want to do 10 minutes, but you can do that. If you want to do an hour, I believe that's a minute. So for an hour, you just go 1H, and that gives you the hour. Look at that hour. Damn. You were right. There was some news. Maybe Baby Pips is not the best place, huh? How did Baby Pips this that? Let's go Forex Factory. That was the French and the German. We've got half an hour till the flash manufacturing PMI. That will change some things. Good idea. Pin your Discord. Let's try that. And we're gonna pin. I won't let me do that on OBS. 207 people. Let's get some likes up, guys. Come on. Come on. You can tell Marcel is busy because he's not chatted at all. Normally he chats all the time. Big man. Big man. We can see 83 people Marcel has done. Damn. Wow. Big salute. Let's give a big clap. Big clap to Marcel with our conscious data day trader hands. Amazing moderator. Tavern is getting busy. 112 people have clicked on the rules. So Marcel is doing great, honestly. Still pushing high. Pound dollar kind of creating a doji there. Let's see. Let's see. I'm still like bullish on the pound dollar. I understand like this setup here. I do understand this reach here. Especially if you go on the daily. Look at this. We had that big push. Let's get a fib on that. Yeah. That gap is in the golden zone. So it's very, 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 very likely that this taps into this. Let's see if we do like the short. If we short that, God, I need some food. I need some more glucose in my brain. Let's see. Big hands up for Marcel. What a guy. Guys, honestly, when you meet Marcel live, when we do the Q&As, he's the genuine guy. Like, he's a top man. It's hard to see. Well, you do see it from his messages, but it's definitely more obvious when you speak to him. Message from Marcel. Rules first, then submission. That equals entry. And what that means is go here, rules, you click that. Then you go to submission. You click this, answer the questions. Then that goes to Marcel down here. So Marcel will approve when he checks that you can see your name in here, all these names. If you're not in this list, you're not getting approved. And then you do the form. When he sees rules and the form, then you're good to go. Let's see. We need to get an ale for Marcel for doing all this for us in the tavern. Okay, so 20 minutes, about 18 minutes. Let's see. Move him a little bit out of the way. This is where we entered. The reason we entered there, let's look at this. You might be saying, why? We had a long bias and we entered on a 15-minute. We entered on this pushback down in here in this fair value gap here. That was our entry for going long. And what actually happened on the silver bullet, this pushed higher, took out liquidity nicely, tapped into the fair value gap and delivered a, what was it, 40 pip? It's normal when you haven't traded for a while. You need to tune up your eyes and your conditions. 41 pips, really nice, like that. We're getting a bit smaller candles now, so there might be an attempt for a pushback up, which would mean this price coming into this fair value gap here, 10100. Rajiv, hello. I have applied, Yanis. Cool. The big man is gonna seek to it. This guy also has a day job, right? So he's he's missing out on the good stuff on the trading, but he's also doing this for this community. So make sure we appreciate what he's doing and how patient we need to be. Zan dropping in the goods with the music. Ah, yeah, this is the fun little reactions. We've got a little Yanis reaction there with a bit of a like that. I'll add more to these. I think I can add a few. So we're going to have some Ragnar in there. Good vibes. Good vibes. That's what we want. Do you pay attention to news? I do keep an eye on them, but my bigger picture is what gives me direction. News will do what it does, because news can be quite dangerous because we don't know what the outcome of the news are. So the news might push the price one direction, then suddenly that's a complete Judas move, pushes it in the other direction. So we don't know if price is going to do. Yes, everyone knows that this price wants to go here, from here to here, 300 pips. Is it going to do it? Is it 30 pips probably on this one, because it's different numbers. But before it does that, it can very easily come back and fill this. So news, I am aware of them, but especially like NFP events or big news, Fed events. Yeah, it's good to know what's coming. What is the trading floor like live? So if you're in this guild hall, like John is now, he's jumped in the trading view. You can jump. Oh, I can't do that because I'll use my camera. So you can jump in there. Let me get out. You can jump in there and let me see if I've messed up my camera. Well, working. Well, good. You can jump in there and share. You know, it's like we're doing now live, but you guys can talk to each other, share screens, have a little chat with each other. Now, like Michael jumped in and out. You know, whoever's in, like tavern is where you chat. It's like our local tavern. And chill out zone is where you can go and talk about other things around from not trading stuff, as well as the tavern, to be honest. Those are the two generic ones. Daily loots is how we've done. If we want to share If we're having losing trades, good trades, that's where the big support is going to come in, like me there with the little guy. Media, where you can just share some tunes, what you're listening to, and Forex is where you can share your charts. That's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Don't want to make it too complicated. That's cool. I didn't know that you could do that. That's cool. And then we'll talk about the Vanguard later on when we have members in. Let me see. What is happening? We're getting a bit of this happening right now. Squeezing of the price. We can see that lower highs equal lows there. But a bit of squeezing. I need to drink some water. What time is it? I'm going to drink water. Is it manual approval for members? Yes. Yes, myself, Marcel, and hopefully we'll get a few more moderators in there to share the burden. But we thought it's better to protect the community. Which is good. Do I have tradings from last week? I did a little bit of trading. Let's go on TradeSync. But because I was in the hospital a lot, it wasn't a lot of trading. But the good news, the family members are out now and they're recovering. It was a big operation. So I had probably $300 for these 2 weeks. So $300 on the 9th and $360 on the 16th. Maybe the best day was here, $800. Worst day, $369. So yeah, as you can see, I didn't really trade. But hopefully we can make this better now. Let's get back to these days when everyone is healthy and doing good. Casey Chong. Submitted. Right, let's see. Yeah, this is pushing towards that that here. Let's get S Ghost. It's going to be a little bit of a squeeze, and we can anticipate something like that. If not, it will come back down to fill this fair value gap. That will be a nice area where we can reposition this guy, and then we reconsider what we're doing. Dum-dum. Let's stay on the pound. I do like seeing the pound. And let's change. Can I save this? That was definitely the silver bullet move. Boom, took liquidity, crashed down, touched that fair value gap there. Look, 15-minute fair value gap there. Beautiful trade. News soon in 8 minutes. Just get in there. Yeah. John says, I don't know how to jump out from the trading room. Where's the Discord? Let's see. He's figured it out. He's figured it out. So when you're in a trading floor, bottom here, there's an X button where you can come out. This is crazy. How do you do that? That's crazy. $16 people are now in, and 9 people are offline, including one of the moderators. So get in there, get in there. It's a lot of submissions. The easy thing would have done, just open it to everyone, and hopefully we would have all good people, but we can't just go with that. We want to protect the community as much as we can. This is the waiting game now, isn't it? Look, we've taken these highs of the previous daily high. Right here. We know it can go up there to that, fill that fair value gap, but it doesn't go always in one direction, does it? So we need to be patient. Two things can happen. This might retrace. If it retraces into this fair value gap, it depends on, we need the hour close here. That means this will be pushing up. Every attempt to push up has been rejected. Major news in 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. It's exciting. How are we doing on the likes? Let's see. Do I want to see? 176. We can do better. Go. We're hitting records though. 228. That is, I know the highest we've ever been is 300 people watching, but 230. That's definitely monthly record. I know people were excited about joining the Discord. I didn't really understand the question about values in Discord approval. Right, so what are your trading values? What are values? Values is something that you, it's a behavior-based belief. So when you, let's say my value is to be honest with you guys. So when I'm trading, to be honest with what I'm showing, with my profits, the bad days, the good days, that's a value that I have. Another value might be that, let's say, I don't mistreat when people are asking for help, like such as asking stupid questions. And someone might say that's a stupid question. That might be my one value. It's very personal what values are in trading. One might be that I want to make the most money I can to whatever cost. And that value obviously might have an effect to the community, because someone who wants to make as much money at any cost might be harmful to others with texting and messaging. So this is just a glimpse to understand who you are, what are your values, why are you joining this community, what do you think you can bring to the community, because this is not my place. Okay, I might support the Vanguard, but this is your place. This is for people that have who have come together through this channel, and they're super positive people, because I see you every day. And it's a cool place, because after the lives, everyone's like, oh, couldn't it go like an hour later? So that way you can just jump on the Discord, and you guys can jump on the trading floor, and you share screens, you do your own lives between you guys, you learn from each other. What is this? Oh, forums, that's something new. Book club. Oh, this is nice. We might add this. I might add this. Cool. That's good to know. I'm going to take a snapshot of that. I'll look into that, because we are going to run a monthly book club. Not much of excitement since we got this entry. What can we do? What can we do? We have to wait now, guys. I wish I could trade these little 1 minute candles, but we can't. It's a bit of a drop. Now consolidation before the news, 1 minute. We'll see what happens. Ooh, spike down. Spike down. Where are we gone? Nice. Took out sell. We'll take that. That's our secondary position. What are the news? Let's see. Now we just wait. 45. So a drop. So it's bad news for the pound. Flash service PMI. Gap down. Let's see. 1 hour. Took out liquidity below here. See if it's a continuation to the downside. Did it actually take... No, so that was more pound news, but the dollar has kind of hovered at the same place. So that's interesting. Where did it... What was the low of the candle? Let's see. What's the price? The low is 128,139. How can you tell if you've been accepted into the Discord? You will see you'll become a member. You'll have a blue name, like here. You'll become one of these members. You should have a blue name. I think it was blue. Maybe I've changed it. I need to check that. But you should have a blue name. Let's see now. We need our friend. Our friend Ragnar has been called. We have repositioned with our second unit. We're currently $180 in drawdown. But the second unit have been placed. We took out liquidity below that 128 100 area. And now we're going to see if that's going to be a real push to get that gap, or is it going to be a fake to retrace back to the upside. That's what we're going to be looking for. So if Ragnar jumps onto the charts, we're going to go on to TradingView and we're going to see where we placed those second units. Here they are. 15 minute. Where are you guys? Can't find them. Can't find them. They're probably in the tavern chatting to all of you guys. Right, that was our first unit here. Dun, dun. There they are. There they are. Let's make them smaller. With the big axes repositioned about quite far apart. It's a good reason we did this. Do you see how I tell you sometimes we don't reposition close? Because we know that this here is target. So these guys are going to try and reposition these guys, take them out of the game, and then we might have to decide to see what we do. Because that retracement here might happen, but the push upwards to this gap is likely. So we need to be quite concentrated on how we're going to deal with this reposition. Okay, Ragnar, thank you. Do 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 do. Not that one. Mofo's got the drop. Sheesh. Nice. Short was the game, for sure. If you had seen this gap, that would have given you a nice clue. Took out liquidity. Boom. Crashed down. What was that? It's provided a ridiculous amount, I think. 69 pips. Wow. That's nice. Ba-ba-bum. No coffee, guys, since Thursday. Push it back down. Let's see. Good shout out from Marcel. You don't have to put too many forms, guys. One form per person. And then make sure you click on the rule book. And those two things give you access to the Discord. How long fast you are doing? How long was the fast? I did 82 hours. I had a nice breakfast this morning. It was just fruit, watermelon, melon, a couple of cherries, a banana, and that's what I've eaten. So after the live, I'm looking forward to going in and enjoying a really nice big omelette. I need to get back on the horse after all my losses. Good stuff, Mofos. Sounds like you had a good day today. Losses is part of the game. So just remember that it's not a loss. It's a process of you learning what you need as a trader, psychologically, mentally, and physically, actually. Because a lot of what we feel in trading can be mainly physical, as a fear, the physical sensations, adrenaline kicking in, physical sensation. You might be thinking that it's your mind, but it's all physical. Pop says fast and chewing streams is a good idea. No chewing noises. Oh, I miss my sandwiches. Howdy from Texas. Hello. Jonathan, maybe do some shout-outs to members activated whilst on the stream. Sure, let's do that. Shout out to Adele. Ooh, is this the singer Adele? Ali G, Biscuit, Garbful. I know Garbful for a long time. Iron Radu, John G. John G was the guy who went on trading floor and got stuck there, but we got him out. He got him out. JSQ, Lays, Michael, Mickey Man, MLSZY, Napo, Omar GXN, Rafa, Rich, Rob, Rolling with the Cronin. Cool. Xenemy and Zan. And a couple of offline guys. Andrew, Call of Thomas. I like that name. Like Call of Duty, but Call of Thomas. Tom, Osaka, Pop, Casey Chong. There you go. There we go. Big community. Pushing up. There we go. Pushing. Let's see. Let's put our second entry in. Minutes. Let's go on the pound, actually. We need to check an eye. Let's look at this price action. That's what we were talking about, that squeeze before it pushes higher. It's about $300 in drawdown. Let's look at the pound. Where is it? Oof. Look at that. Nasty. Beautiful trade if you're short. We're getting in here. So let's see what price. Where is it? We got in at 128,228. 128,228. 128. Two, 8. Okay, so this was our secondary position. Wow, that's a big spread. I swear I was taking the low. What's this? 1 hour. How was that high? Damn. Dum dum. These guys. Now we've only got one lot. Let's get some Discord glasses. Let's see. Where are they? Discord glasses. Discord has launched today. Fun times. Adele. Nice. Look at that trade. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good job. There we go. There's the push. Pushing higher. We've done, let's put the 7. What time zone is this? New York. Let's go to London. Bum, 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 bum. Where are we going to re-enter this? Remember guys, my normal position is about 2, but I've sized down because of these situations. So I want to be in a position where I can manage this on a bigger time frame. So like if you go on a 4-hour, for instance, you can see we spread those positions out. So if it pushes down, we can reposition them. I very often get into like 1 grand, 1 grand 500 drawdown. That's normal for me. Nice little gap there on the 5. Does that show there? That doesn't show there. Difference in the brokers. So guys, Marcel is saying that if you did this form early on, you might have not clicked this rule button. So make sure you click that rule button. If you don't click the rule button, you have to agree to these things. You have to agree to the Conscious Day Trader community and to be respectful, no spams, keep discussion appropriate. We're going to keep it a really nice, healthy community. So make sure you click this. And when you click this, Marcel can go and see that you've clicked it. And when you've clicked it and you've submitted your questions, then we are good to go. I know it's a bit annoying, but that's the only way we can control a little bit who's coming in. For your benefit. All right, so we're having another attempt now. It's a big difference on the 5-minute on the pound and the trading view. No gap on the trading view. Stuck on the news front. Next one is 4:45 local time for me in Greece. $125.50 after disappointing UK PMIs. A push back into that fair value. Created a tapped into that little fair value there. Maniac is in. Peter KE is in finally. Let's see how this comes along now. Another attempt to push higher. Fill the fair value. I know, right? That's crazy. Like there's no gap on the trading view at all. Here. Maybe is it lower? Nothing. Look at that difference. Boom. It's a bit spooky how they can have a big difference like that. Let's be patient, says Nelly. You are correct. Now let's see. Let's see at this one. Let's take out this bad boy. Let's grab a fib. It's holding above the 23.6. And when we read the book, you will see how a confirmed move happens below the 23.6. I'm going to share that later. So if it breaks below the 23.6 with a body of the candle, it's highly likely that it will go back to the 0.5 or this golden zone. If that happens and then pushes up, that might give us an opportunity to deal with this bad boy up here. If not, we have to wait, I think, quite a bit. 1, 2, 7s. Let's look at the chart. 4 hour. The lows here are 1275. I actually have a gap on my trading view, but not on my MT4. Might be that you're trading a different pound dollar. I'm using the FX CM. I'm sure if there's another one. I should actually trade the similar one to what I've got on the MT5. Bit of sell side created there now. Push up into the fair value. We'll see if that continues higher. Need to take the highs of these two. First Vanguard in the house, says Marcel. His name is... Marcel will tell us. If there's been an error, Yanis will approve you. Balaka, okay. There we go. Balaka is in the Vanguard. Welcome. Price is having a bit of retracement here on the DXY. Let's delete this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. 87 pips. Now it's squeezing the other side. Dark Water, congrats on the Discord. Just some advice. Definitely have a place to report scammers and warn people that you will never contact them if you don't already have one. We have a mini, where is it? Big welcome to Balaka. You can put a ticket in. I can see there's a new ticket. So I'll have a look at these after the live, guys, so we don't stay on the Discord too much whilst we're in a trade. But you are right. Zan is in the new Vanguard. You can see the Vanguards, I believe. Let me a sec. With the orange name, I believe. Dum-dum. So for the Vanguard members this week, I am planning to do the Q&A live face-to-face on Wednesday. So we will need to chat. Actually, let's do it in here. Let's do it in the main chat. Q&A. Time preference. And then we'll see what works for you guys. And then we're going to jump in for 3 hours. And you have my time. Let's see here now. Getting a bit of push down back into this fair value. We broke the previous daily low. And now it's having an attempt. It failed to take the high though. We're still hunting that gap. bum. I tell you what, I'm definitely feeling the effects of the fasting. That melon and watermelon hasn't done it. I need more food. Another push back down, aggressive push now. Trying to take the lows. It's a big drop. Let's look at the daily. Higher time frame. Always shows you the picture. Look at that. Look at that. Just tapped just above the 61.8. 76.4 is at sell side. So these guys are waiting. Put another 2 trades in there. How many pips is that? 60 pips. 60 pips. About $600 on a lot. Drop down there would definitely feel this here. And we know that gap is interesting because it's lying exactly at the 0.5 retracement. So it's very highly, guys. On this book that we're going to read, a break above the 23 is extremely likely that it will hit 38.2 and 50% retracement. So we are anticipating this, but because we traded wrong this morning, we need to manage this at a bigger frame. We can't just manage it here because this is dropping and we know this is pushing up. So we just need to be patient. This is where experience comes in. You might be like, oh my God, what's happening? We only got one lot here. All right, so we can let the price do its thing, come down, and then load up in a better position. Because we know this is just hovering around previous daily low. Hope that makes sense. Nearly to 200 likes, guys. Let's push that pin up. I also haven't put my trades in. Let's do that now. Da, 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 da. So we have our first position, our worst position was at 128,688. And then our reposition was at 1.28228. These are the 2 trades that we're in, and we're actually long. Let's put long. Two more Vanguards in the house. Let's see who they are. What's that? So we have Maniac and Ali G, I believe. something has happened then. So I need to do it manually. So sorry about that. I'm going to fix that. So Zan and Maniac are in the Vanguard. Ali G is in the Vanguard. Good stuff. We will fix that, guys. Don't worry. For now, I give you access manually, but we have a developer behind. With everything new, you try and do the best you can, but problems come. It's like trading. You try and do your perfect setup. This would have been nice if it was long, wasn't it? But it didn't go our way, so now we adapt. We fix things. We reposition. We change things. That dollar index is looking really nice to the upside. It's having a closer and closer attempt. The Discord link kept me at bay for 10 minutes already. Later, your session. Altino, if you have clicked the link and you submitted your form, just be patient. We'll get to you. After the live, I'm going to jump on and help Marcel with getting all you guys in. So don't worry. From my experience, the flash manufacturing PMI and the flash service PMI have some red or green values for all the states. So US results, same red today, and you will get second part of the day. Interesting. Let's see. All we can see is what's happening on the price action. And now we're having another little push to the upside. Price is trying to push up and fill that gap. But the dollar index also wants to go up, so that's why we're having this battle right now. The algorithm's battling. It's like, no, I want to fill this. Why are we going down? Another attempt here. Let's see if that pushes. Normally around 12:30 we get a bit of movement. Oh, I've got a stiff back. Please post the link. It's pinned on the top, so you will see the link on the top of the chat. I can post it again if you want, but it is at the top there. Let's see. I can't. Oh, okay, you found it. Perfect. All right, we're having another attempt. We took out the highs of that little swing there. We know pound dollar. We know how it behaves. Like, the only thing I trade, guys, is pound dollar. It's like my little mate. We're in a relationship. We're like, come on, dude. What did you do here? Come on, you know better. How will you know if you've been selected or not? The easiest way is you will see your name here. I don't know why I can't see everyone. I can see the Vanguard members. I'm sure I've done something wrong. I'm quite new. Ah, here we go. That's why. Ah, there we go. So if I click on Vanguard, now I can see everyone, I think. So the orange names, they're the Vanguards. And please, if you're in the Vanguard, go and to say what time on Wednesday you would like to have the Zoom call. I can't spell. Wednesday. Is that right? I think it's right. So let me know what time. Is it like lunchtime, afternoon? And then I'll try my best to fit everyone in there. You can't at the moment because of permissions. So you can't see the Vanguard. I believe you are a Vanguard. Let me just do a little bit of the background of this work. So you guys should... Let me just check it. Okay, let's do that. Use Sembra as a role. Okay, so you should be able to click on Vanguard and you would have access to all of those. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to see that. It's very possible I've done something silly, but don't worry, I'll fix it. Ba, 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 ba. You can see but can't chat. Okay, there we go. Let's see our trade. I had a bit of a wick now, bit of a doji. Like we discussed, a bit of indecision. Took out the highs, took out these highs, filled that fair value gap. Bam. So let's fix that. Let's fix. Okay guys, try now. We should be fixed. Let's see. Way, Zan is in. Here he is. I need to fix probably the others as well. Try the weekly Q&A and the monthly book club. So then we can sort out the Vanguards, but also in the tavern. Here is the big guys. Obviously, if you're a Vanguard, you get access to the guild hall as well. So you get access to everything. This was my first trade on GU. Nice, man. Amazing. Look at that. Boom. Took out liquidity and dropped. Good stuff. Who's that? Call of Thomas. Good stuff. Pretty sure today is a sell day, pound dollar. You might be right. We have to wait and see. I don't try and guess price. I just try and react to what price is doing. If I had seen this earlier, I should have turned on the DXY. I would definitely be shorting. But like we said, I got an entry from this push up in there, trying to get the previous daily high as liquidity draw. But Now we just have to be patient. Patience. Getting close, guys. 2 likes for 200 people. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Ooh, we're having a bit of a push down on the DXY. Hunting these lows. Let's see. Let's see if that reflects on the pound dollar. Aggressive move here. Wouldn't you usually avoid trading red fold events? No, I like red fold events because we have movement. So even though we analyzed it wrong and we didn't have a nice entry, we're still able to understand price. So we understand that the news were negative. That's going to push down the pound dollar. But we also know that this is a big move. And these big moves normally retrace. So hopefully we see this retraces in the fair value gap, pushes that price up, and we can reposition those guys. Because I don't know how low, like we've hit 113. No, what was the highs? We've hit 131. That is a big drop if it goes to like 127s or 126. Might be, but we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait and see. Like someone said, this might be a short day. If that's the case, we have to wait by tomorrow. Do you think if it hits the 15-minute fair value gap reversed downwards, is this on the DXY or the pound dollar? Do you mean here? Yeah, if there's a continuation, that would be a nice entry for a short. We can see, we can reassess here what we're going to do after this push up. We want to see that push up. Pop, new Vanguard. Let's add him into the Vanguard group. And Michael. Hopefully you guys can chat in here. I will fix it, guys. Don't worry. After this session, it'll be fixed. Let's see how this corresponds now. These guys are like, hey, come and help us out. I want to be in the tavern. I don't want to be up here. Come on, aggressive push down into the previous daily high. So I can go and get some food. I'm so hungry. There's another attempt now. Let's see. That's an aggressive move. It's going to touch here. Now we're going to see if it responds, reacts, or if it's actually going to push. Always 12:17, like 12:15 to 12:30, there is a move. What time is that, New York? 5:30. I don't think ICT talks about this time, but we do. There's always a sort of a push every time we finish the live. Med, morning. Always been watching these videos and lives, but never saying hey, hi. So hello Med. I'm glad for your support. Welcome to the great community of the conscious day traders. And the reason we're called conscious day traders is because we put a thought around everything we do. Touched into that sell side again. That is pretty much done now. We don't need that. Where's that stopped? Marcel is doing a great job, guys. He's done already 22 members. Come on. What a legend. It's a lot of people. 155 people. That's a lot of people. A wave emoji. UK based but contending with the day job, so don't all right. Yeah, this is, we're gonna do a little poll on let's see if I've got any new there. Don't want to miss anyone. That's good. We're going to do a bit of poll for the Vanguard to see when is the best time to do this this call. We were right. It was an aggressive push down. That's reached 60 odd quid. So let's think about this. It's either going to retrace to fill the gap and then continue down, but we also have a fair value gap there. Let's go on the 1 minute. We need to zoom out a bit. You see that? Let's get a fib on that move. 61.8 retracements so far. So this will be a nice short if you believe that we're going to that gap. 76.4 sits right in the middle of that gap. Peter, hey mate, love the content. Keep doing the good you're doing. Are you still based in Bali? Yes, my cat is in Bali. Enjoying our super expensive house whilst we're working hard abroad in Europe for him to live the life. But we are going back to Bali end of September probably. Because my wife is writing a book actually. So we're going to take some time to do that. And then end of September, we'll be heading back home, as they say. I do miss Bali. No trading for me now until New York kill zone. The London kill zone time is over. Adele. We are in a weekly fair value gap. Let's have a look at that. A weekly fair value gap. What am I missing? take that out. A weekly fair value gap. I don't see it. Are you referring to the DXY? If you're referring to the DXY, you are referring to this bad boy here. Do I enter trades outside kill zone? Yes, I do. It just makes sense to open them during the kill zones because it gives you more of a push on price. But the good thing with trading, you know, we're the masters of what we do on the charts, right? So if I'm in a bit of trouble like this here, I can be patient, I can trade lower, reposition, and I can get out tomorrow. And you call it a bad day, but you actually make money. So yes, I don't stress so much around I have to find the move on the kill zone. But saying that, it might be a good thing for you guys if that works. Like if you miss a kill zone, right? And then you're like, okay, I'm gonna wait to the next kill zone, and then that kill zone works out. That's amazing. You've given yourself 2-3 kill zones, 2-3 opportunities to get in. You know your setup, you know how to trade it, you can manage it, and off you go. So I am a fan of that. This was definitely missed this morning, right? This was so nice. Look at that. It gave us that. It really gave us that. I bet you that is the 7-6. Look at that. To the pip, guys. To the pip. Silly, Yanni. Silly. Beautiful trade there. Oh well. I'm gonna blame the fast. My brain is not working. What is repositioning? Adding positions? Repositioning is repositioning my worst entry. So this entry here is going to try and clear that entry out. So I've broken my lot into 2 positions and I'm trying to get rid of the worst position. Yeah, I need to fix that. I heard a new subscriber came in. Let's see who it is. Stand Up Archives. How many followers we got? 5,831. We're getting close to that 6,000, guys. That's pretty cool. Again, thank you to the anonymous donator. Unfortunately, you're anonymous, so I don't know who you are. But yeah, I really thank you. We crashed the 200 likes, guys. We're 213. That's pretty cool. All right, I think it's time before we head out to do our final poll. And we're going to see what people let's see where you're all at. This will be quite interesting. So do we think pound dollar is going to hit 1.28? 1.8000 or 1.3. Which one is going to be hit first? Where is it? 129, sorry. Let's see where we're at. Price is pushing back up. Let's see what's happening. 60, 76.4. That will be an interesting thing to think about what we're doing. I do like this trade into this. I do like it. So if I find an opportunity to get back on board that, I might do it. I don't normally do that, but I do like that. I can't see the chat for some reason. Let's see. Can you see the poll? Or did that not go through? I think they're pooped itself. Reacting on the 61A. Ah, there's no poll. There we go. Something was going wrong. 1.29. All right, where do you think we're heading, guys? Is it going to let me do it this time? There we go. Let's see what you think. I think you can see it now. 50-50. That's quite interesting, isn't it? That half of us think it's going to go to 129 and half of us to 128. Just shows you how the market moves. It's a strong battle. I think we need Ragnar for this. We're going to hit 100 votes for this. Here we go. We're in. 26 votes. %, 1.28. We're saying that price is going to go down to 1.28. Oh, 129 is picking a bit of a momentum here. It's 47. 39 votes. Let's see. It's picking up to 50%. Pretty equal. 49 and 50, 53%. Halfway nearly. This is a close one. Oh, 1.29 is pushing up. Is that because of the reaction now of the 1283 breaking ahead? Let's see. Ali is saying 128 first, then finish filling the 1 hour fair value gap. Could even go to 15-minute fair value gap for 1277. Let's see. I see a bit of aggression here on the pound dollar. Let's see. What are we looking at? We're currently at 70 $68 profit. Obviously we're dealing with that reposition up on the top for 165. We're still hovering below that 61.8. What's the price saying? 128 is again leading. So we think we're going down. 49%, 129. Let's see. 65 votes in. It's just holding it below that 61.8. Let me show you what I'm talking about. 68 votes in. Now they're saying 129. Let's see. Bit of a debate going on. We need to be on this chart. Holding below that 61.8. 70 votes in. Getting closer. What is it going to be? Is it going to be these 128, which is down here? Or is it going to be 129, which is up here? Interesting. Interesting. We're currently on 75 votes and 129 is going ahead. 78 votes believe that we're going higher to 129 above this liquidity level here. Interesting. We're hitting those $70. Let's see. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. How high are we going? So you guys are saying that we're going to the previous daily high. 80 votes in. We're getting close to the final of the vote. Ragnar is feeling the music, even though he likes the other music more. What are we on? Oh, getting closer. 129, 56%. That's quite a big difference. So everyone is thinking that we're going higher. Well, I say everyone, a little bit more than half of you. So 100 people think we're going higher. 44% think we're going lower. 83 votes. Let's see if that's updated. For some reason, I get delayed data. Oh, big push. Big push. 57, nearly 60% believe we're going higher. Let's think about what's happened. It's gone down. It went up as Asian high, filled the 15-minute fair value gap, pushed down, took out the previous daily low. Now it's pushing up, but it's pushing up into a fair value gap. Is this just a retracement for a continuation to go back down to 128? Or is it the actual move that's going to push up to the 129? That's what we're voting for. We've got 10 votes to go. 58, nearly 60% saying upwards. Let's see. We're breaking above the previous high on that 15-minute candle. We're in $73 profit so far in that position. Obviously, we're fighting the top reposition of the 150. Everyone is saying 91 votes, 129, 58%. There is no volume for the upside today. Still looking for the lower prices before we go higher, like the higher time frame, says Adele. after the votes, I am gonna check out Maniac TV. Don't you worry. Let's see, we're getting up into that 76.4 now. We need 7 votes. Let's see what's gonna happen. 58%. And 95. Oh, it's getting close. Let's see. $96 votes, 3 votes to go. Let's see what's gonna be. We hit record highs today, guys. 222 likes. Huge. 59%. Is it gonna be 60? One more vote. We're pushing up. 100 votes. That will end the poll. 101 votes. 57% think that we're going higher. Huge. And as you can see in my background, it's time to bring this this live to an end. Thanks everyone for joining. Obviously, I'm going to be chatting with you in the Discord. You can find the Discord in the pinned. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this is going to retrace back to the 76.4 and then push down. We're going to find out all about that. And my son is calling me. So I'll see you next time, guys. Have a good one.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs.